Hey guys, DK here, back with a Beyblade video, and this one is going to be the third battle of Dragons and Ceasar. Yeah, 3 slash, you suck. Let's go! We're just gonna get right into it. Frick shot. You don't get the intro, buddy. You suck. Go! Dragon Ceasar moving kind of bumpy. Oh, a burst by Dragon Ceasar. Currently remembering break spin attack, shorter motion time, probably the best combination against Slash. Oh, what? Whoa, that's all right. What happened to Dragon Ceasar right there? Oh, and still bursts it. Apparently. Also, I don't think I mentioned this in my video. If my camera could focus, I do have burst stoppers, and yeah, that helped it a lot right there. But let's go, Slash. You're not gonna beat me. I don't know what to tell you. It's already 4-0. Oh, all right. Oh, okay. More and more before spray. Oh my God! Come on, Slash. Oh, another burst, Jesus. Since the battles are going so fast, I'll just go 10. It's 6-0. Oh, okay, uppercutting Dragon Ceasar. Oh, double burst, holy. I don't understand why my camera wants to keep going out of focus, because it never does that. It never has, because it's from for a while. Six, now 8-0. And I've seen Dragon Ceasar burst before. This also the burst stoppers on this are worn down, so I can at least put it together. It still works perfectly fine, and it was perfectly an attack. So yeah, maybe I'll do it. Oh, but this time Dragon Ceasar takes it. Oh, power driver going flying. Thank you, Dragon Ceasar, showing your dominance like always. And we're gonna do left spin battle, left spin absorb, Dragon Ceasar versus not just Slash, but oh my God, Jesus. Okay, yeah, I'm done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next Beyblade video.